Munchkinland.
What?
Where are we going?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. Are you pumped? Uh-huh. Why are we going to Disneyland? Whose birthday is it? Are you gonna get a birthday button? Yeah?
You brought my piranha?
Did I bring your pinata? I didn't, baby. That's for your birthday here, okay? We're gonna do that here. Does that work?
No.
Literally the best pit stop for kids. I already had our stuff packed, ready to go. I'm really happy with this setup. It just gets better and better every time. And we've already managed to call emergency services. So, hi. Welcome to Vacation with Kids. Are you going to Disneyland? Yeah? Let's go. Let's go get our stuff. So I actually worked half a day. I already had our stuff packed, ready to go. So all I had to do was come home, grab the kids, and then we were off. What do you want? Open the door. Open! You ready? Huh? Nope. You're not ready for Disneyland? I am. Are you pumped? You are? Alright, so we just got gas. Kids are loaded up with your food, tablets. We got our road drinks, Dr. Pepper.
And our road suitcases.
And our road suitcases.
And our head to our hotel.
So I went super minimalistic with this trip. Honestly, all we had were tablets and plenty of snacks. I didn't do all of the fun watercolor things or little toys or trinkets. No, the kids literally just had their tablets, and surprisingly, they did really well with it. They also really just liked looking out the window, and we would talk about different cars going by, mountains. My kids really obsessed with Penske trucks ever since we moved, but they did an awesome job. We had plenty of snacks, and both of them actually napped for quite a bit. So after about 3.5 hours of driving, we finally took a break. You ready for a break, little baby? To the left. That's cool. Shooting gallery. You want to play that today? Let's go to the bathroom first. Shoot at it, shoot at it. Say, hey, we're right here. Oh, it smells good out here. It is. Hi. Hi. Bravo Farms in Kettleman City, California is literally the best pit stop for kids. This play area is perfect for them to run around. Follow him. Where are you? Hello. Peekaboo. Peekaboo baby. All right, let's go to the next one. Yeah. All right, children.
Your destination is on the left.
We just made it. 8:40. Not too bad. I wouldn't say. We did one good stop in Kettleman City, and the kids got to play, run around. They have a really, really good turf area, and yeah, that was not too bad of a drive. And we also had to stop at Walmart because I forgot one of the most important things: water. So one good thing about driving is being able to stop and get the things that we need if we need them. So we stopped, and we've filled up with gas one time and let the kids stretch, stopped at Walmart and got water, a few other things, and then we stopped at Panda for dinner, and now we're at our hotel checking in. Look at that! Is that so cool? Oh my gosh, we're going so high up. Oh my god! Whoa! Look down. Look at how small they look down there. We are in our hotel room. It's Embassy Suites, so really good sizing. We have a whole living area space over there, and then we have a little kitchenette, full bathroom with bathtub, really nice size too, and then separate bedroom area. We've been here all of maybe 3 minutes, and we've already managed to call emergency services. So, hi, welcome to Vacation with Kids. Wow, look at this room. A little kitchen space. 2 beds, cute little light shades. Look at that TV, Hunter. Let me see your best jump. Come on. Oh, 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 oh! Don't break your body. Thank you, ma'am. Nice, big, bright bathroom space. I love when there's cubbies, but then also plenty of room up on the counter. Need that. You guys can stop with the lights. Thanks. Nice updated like bath area. We got a nice big bathtub with this little rest shelf right here, which is nice because then we'll be able to put all of our products. The kids, I think, are most excited about the bath. You guys ready to take a bath?
No.
No? Why not?
Because we took one today.
Yeah, but you're stinky.
Why?
Okay, just unpacked everything and going to go ahead and get the stroller set up, our park bag set up, so that way we wake up, we just get dressed, and we're ready to roll out. We already have the Mickey one of these and then the regular one of these. They just came out with the cutest little Minnie Mouse one. It has the mini shaped head, but then also the bow on it. How perfect is this for my daughter and son to each have their own? That already had one like on either side, but we had just like a Mickey one and then a blank one. But now my daughter can have the Minnie one, and my son can have the Mickey one, or vice versa, whatever they want. So let's add this. Oh my god, how cute is this? I love the little mini edition. That's super cute to add that bow to it. So pumped for this. So Tag Along Kids sent us the kiddos' favorite colors, and we're gonna add these to our stroller now that we know, like, we've given it a test run. So now we're gonna really do Disney with these. They sent them, said, hey Nicole, can't wait to see what you and your kiddos think. Thank you. So thank you to Tag Along Kids for sending these to us. Kiddos love these colors, one of their favorite colors. So, and I love that now they'll each have one of their own. So my youngest can grab the pink, and then my oldest can grab the green. They know which one's theirs, and hopefully it'll be like just super second nature. But excited to see how they use these at Disney, because last time we used them, they just kind of like naturally grabbed on. And so I think I'm just gonna put them on the stroller and not even tell them, like, just see what they do. I'm not even gonna tell them, I'll see what they do. Okay, final thing. I have this super cute bag from Wild Rich Kids, and it's just like an everyday bag. It's huge. Like, when I say it's like, it's massive, and you can literally just fit so much in it. And there's like little pockets here and then pockets on either side for waters. But I was thinking, this stroller doesn't have like a ton of storage on it, which is why I add like the little mesh things, the parent organizer, and then I have hooks for like my water bottle or if we get shopping bags. But I know that this thing, it's like a big canvas bag, so it has a really long strap. So I wanted to see if it fits across a double stroller. Our Bob has like plenty of space and a really good console, but this one just we just have like a tiny little console on it. So I wanted to see if this fits, and it does. This is like, it's like a game changer, especially for the bus. You can throw this on, be throwing all your extra stuff in here, and then for the bus you literally just have to take it off. Love this. We also taken a park bag with us, so I'm thinking this will just be for extra stuff, but that's huge. Like, that's so cool. It fits a double. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised it fits a double stroller, but like, I'm here for it. Okay, last thing that I'm adding to our stroller. So my whole thing is like, keep it simple, so that it's simple in a way that when we get to the bus, I can just, you know, have the kids pop out, fold up, and go. I don't want to have to just stand off to the side like packing stuff up or rearranging bags. Like, I don't got time to waste. My kids aren't gonna sit and do that. That's just a mess. We're not doing that. So having this already on the stroller ready to go, huge. Having these little mesh things on the side, those mesh things will hold stuff in as long as they're not like extremely overflowing. They'll hold stuff in, and you don't even have to take it out when you go on the bus. As long as your stroller doesn't like flip all weird ways. Mine stays like pretty much standing upright, like it accordions together. So definitely try it out with your stroller at home first. But that's my like goal, is the least amount of stuff that I have to unpack before getting on a bus, or even just after getting off the bus, like what do I have to unpack? But I'm pretty happy with this setup. The only other thing that like we'll add our maybe waters here, but this can also be for, you know, other random bags if we get anything. I don't think we'll actually end up using all those hooks. Yeah, I'm really happy with this setup. It just gets better and better every time. Okay, taking a look at the setup one more time. So we have our tag-along kids, we have our JL child dress, a side sling, little cargo net. I have one on either side. We have Wild Rich Kids canvas everyday bag. I mean, the faces, so cute. Like, I'm dying, so cute. I have just a little skip hop, super universal parent console. We've had this one for so long, and it's just the one that has like fit best on this travel stroller. So we just go with it. And I have other little hooks that have come in like a pack. And then I have the Mickey hook, which that'll go down underneath when I add our park bag tomorrow. And then, oh my God, I'm dying. Look at how freaking cute that is. Okay. Sister side. And then over here, we've got brother's side. So cute. I think this one is actually supposed to go the other way, but I wanted Mickey facing out, so I just did that. So it's looks a little wonky, but I think it works. So that's it. Put the kids in, we're ready to roll, and we can fold it up super easily, ready to go on the bus.